Let's learn the names of some farm animals today. It's a horse. Can you say horse? It's a cow. Can you say cow? Look at that pig. Can you say pig? I love chickens. Can you say chicken? Look at the goat. Can you say goat? A field of sheep. Can you say sheep? What a cute dog. Can you say dog? Thanks for learning the names of farm animals with us today. Until next time, little ones.